Hello, good morning everyone, and Bang Jeremy, Mr. Jeremy. So right now I'm going to presentation my code about Meet project. So the first that I will explain is the components. So the first one is the RLC folder, which contain many folders like pages, for web display, and components, utils, and layout, and something like that. We're gonna start with receipts. In receipts, we have fetch receipts. It's for the responsible for fetching receipts data. These functions check whether the receipts data already exists in our local storage. And then there is a apa lagi ya? Handle input change. It's for to change data in the form. For example, when we type the name of the receipts or cooking time, the function will be update the data entered into the form. And then here's the handle ingredient change. It's for to change data in the form. Yeah, it seems like tadi. This is add ingredient lah. Jadi contohnya kayak the users add the ingredients here and remove here. and then users will be add instructions in receipts. The users will be input right here and remove right here. It's for the remove instruction if there is a mistake in instructions. And then we're going to components receipt forms. Here I have handle edit kalau nggak salah. Nah ini. So handle edit is it's for the execute when we click the edit button, nanti dia kayak scroll to the top gitu, so we can change it, ya kan? Kalau udah scroll kan nanti dia bisa kita ganti. Terus nanti will be ada ini apa tuh notification tulisannya are you sure you want to delete, ya gitulah. And then we have get total times. Jadi di receipts itu bayan bahasin dong. Di receipts itu nanti will be have times to prepare and cooking times. Ya, gitulah. The function will be calculate the total time needed to prepare and cook receipts. This time is obtained by adding the preparations time and cooking. Jadi kayak buat ngitung lah nanti semuanya dari prepare times sama cooking times gitu. And then we move on to introduce. We have fetch to do's. It's same thing like receipts lah, ya kan? Yeah. It will find the data that already exists in local storage. If there is, the text will be displayed directly from local storage. And then there's a fetch user here. The function is for the apa nih? Lupa sih aku sebenarnya. Will be assigned to each task gitu. This function also check whether user data already exists in local storage, and if not, the user data is fetched from the API. Ya, nih, JSON API. Handle input change. It's used to change the value on the form when we type something, such a name of the task or select the user responsible for the task. This function will be handle change for various types of input, such as text and text boxes. And then ya nih to reset the form. After we finish adding or editing task, we can reset the form. Aduh. And then below that we have handle edit click. Kayak nanti dia bakal ngefill the form with existing task data gitu lah. So we can change it. Jadi kayak when we click the edit button, the selected task data will be displayed on the form, and we can make the change. And then ya ini ada fetch-nya from the dummy JSON. Yeah, all is just for the styling lah, to make it looks good, looks great, looks lovely, and something like that. And then we have to-do form from TSX. Yeah, ini ya. Yeah, we have export interface. This is the user is expected to input ID, number, and to do is strings. Jadi number itu angka, string itu huruf, itulah. And then we have handle delete. Yeah, it's just the same thing kayak yang aku jelasin tadi. Is for delete button on the text. Before deleting, nanti will be giving information kayak, are you sure you want to delete this to do, gitu-gitu. Nanti serahmu lah, nanti jawab enggak, yes enggak, gitu-gitu. And then on toggle complete, nanti kayak this function will be executed when we checks or unchecks the checkbox next to the task. This function will change the status of the task to complete or not complete. Habis itu apa lagi yang kita punya di sini? Yeah, we move to post the TSS. So yeah, this is the import. We have to import and define the interfaces gitulah, post response. Nanti postnya post, ini total inputnya number, skipsnya number juga gitu. Terus apa lagi ya? Fetch post itu for checking whether there is supposed data have been saved. Sama aja kayak tadi, if the data exists, the data will be used. If not, the data will be taken from the API. And then we have handle input change. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm true. This function is to handle changes that we make in the input form. For example, when we type the title of or content of the post, this function will be update the data and we enter into the form. Nanti will be ini apa? Test will be test ya, I guess. Nah, we have a tag handlersnya. I have comment. Ini from input handlers. Ini tuh for the to change the value of the text that we type. Ini to add a new text to the tag list. Nih, to the new text. Nanti dia ke new tag. Habis itu kita ke handle tag key down. Yeah. When we press the enter key on the keyboard, the itu will be reset gitu lah. This function is to reset the form back to its initial states. Yeah, something like that maybe. And then we move out to post form and components. Yeah, we have interface force is ID is number, title is strings, body strings. We will see that later ya, after I explain this one. Okay, so we have display reactions. If I'm not wrong, yeah, display reactions kan, betul aku. It's for to display the number of reaction to the post. Jadi kayak nanti ada yang like, yang dislike gitulah di situ. And then we have it's the same thing. Handle delete, nanti will be there is a notification, are you sure? Terus nanti kita klik delete, ya nanti dia bakal ke delete. And then we have handle edit to edit to edit ini the form gitu lah. Ya gitulah. Nanti dia ini scroll to the top where is the form exists. Ya nggak sih? Setuju tuh kawan-kawan aku. And then we have ini ya trunch apa sih ini? Trunch text. It's for to cut text from what ya? From a post maybe. If the text is too longer text will be shortened. Jadi kayak nanti kalau kepanjangan dia bakal pendek aja gitu. Terus nanti kayak kepanjangan pendek kan. Terus there is a read more button. Ya nggak sih? Ya nggak sih guys? And then we have it's for the styling lah. Styling to make our eyes enjoy. Not like jelek kali gitu. Gak mungkin kita mau nengok yang jelek-jelek. And now we going to comments pages maksudnya. Page comments.csx. What we have here? Ya sama aja. We have import and interface. Ya, we define the interface. Nah, ini we have inilah comments, nanti comments. We have arrays here ya. Because we can put many comments. Ya. Total itu number, because we have to put numbers. Ya. Itulah. Ngerti lah. Nanti. Jadi sini ada fetch user, nanti ada apa? Nggak tahu juga aku ada apa di situ. Ya. Nanti list of comments-nya will be display. Terus will be loading, indicate whether comments data is being loaded. There is an error. Ya. Stores. Ya, gitulah. Error stores fetching users. Ya. We have even handlers. It's for what? For to change the text of the new comments. We can use it to select the comments, filters keyword. Like if we're looking for point blank, the comments will be display point blank tuh, all of the text. Find the hole. If we looking for find the hole, text will be find the hole. Gitulah, it's for filter. Yeah, you guys have understand lah gitu lah. And comments components ya. Ya, we have import juga here. Ya, ada interface juga. There's interface for users and comments. The ID will be numbers and usernames will be strings. Ini is editing. Editing is for edit mode. Yeah, we can edit the comments if we click the edit button. And then we can delete it too if we pencet buttonnya. Ya. Habis itu ini handle edit is for enables the edit mode for comment. And then we have handle change change apa nih, cancel for edit and reverse the comment text to its original state. Ya, apa itu. And then we have save to save the changes made to the comment and send it to the update to the API. And then we have delete, ya, delete yang terakhir. Delete comment by sending a delete request to the API. Nanti bakal ke delete gitu dia. Habis itu last thing render. These components will be display each comment and provide buttons for an edit and delete. Yeah. If a comment is being edited, the text area is displayed to edit the comments. After editing, apa ya? The save and cancel buttons will be appear. If a comment is deleted, it will be a change to semi-transparent. Nanti opacity-nya bakal berkurang, gitulah. Nah, jadi kita sekarang coba ngapain? Ya, welcome back again with Lucas. Kelihatan nggak sih? Ya. We're going to apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Praktek.
Practice.
We're going to practice
I'm going to show you biasanya.
I'm going to show you guys my web. What I have made. Ya nggak sih? So we have a button that add new receipts. Yeah, let's try it. Receipts name, telur dadar. Ingredient names. Apa coy? Telur. Oh yeah, we have egg. I forgot it has to be English. And okay, instruction step.
Mix the egg.
Mix the egg and what?
Fry it.
And then
Fry it every egg.
Fry it. I know. I'm from
England.
Australia, you know. Okay. Preparation time is numbers. This is strings, this is numbers. Yeah, we know that. We need 5 minutes maybe, and cooking time is for berapa ya masak telur ya? 3 minutes. Servings 1, difficulty easy. Cuisine apa? Batanis.
Mana lah, apa sih?
Aku mau batanis. Kalorisnya berapa kira-kira nih guys? 10 lah. Ya, teksnya enak. Mantap. Ya, can add receipts. And it will be apa? Muncul. Appear. It will be appear here. Ya, telur dadar. Preparation 5 minutes, cooknya 3 minutes, totalnya 8 minutes. Ya, kan tadi di total ya. Servings 1, difficulty easy, cousins Batak. Ya, ini instructionnya mix the eggs and then fry. We can delete it also. Yeah, this is the notification. Okay. And it will be gone because we deleted it. Yes, sir. And we have to-dos. Add a to-do. Tasknya apa? Play point blank, maybe ya. Play point blank. Designed to siapa ya? Michael is like to play point blank, I think. To-dos. Yeah. It will be appear here and we can delete and edit. Let's edit it. We change it to play Mobile Legend. We change, we save, and it will be changed. Play Mobile Legends, and we can delete it also. Yeah, it will be gone. I don't know where. It's magic, you know. we have post page. We can put the title. Apa ya?
I love
I love Jesus. I love Jesus. Kontennya Jesus save me yesterday. Tagnya Jesus, God, and then we can create it. Jesus will be appear here. I mean, I love Jesusnya ya. I love Jesus will be appear here, and ini Jesus, this is God, Jesus saved me yesterday. We can delete it also. We can click OK. Yeah, it will be hilang, gone. And then we can add a comments. Apa ya? Comment. Bang, aku mau giveaway. Away. And we can put here as Alexander. And then we can add comments. Alexander will be type, Bang, aku mau giveaway gitu. And then if we search in filter comments ya, kayak tadi aku bilang, if we type point blank, it will be point blank semuanya gitu. Guys, giveaway. Giveaway will be appear here if we type giveaway here. Okay, we can delete it also. It's gone. It's magic again.
Wow.
It's magic class. We can add a new comment to edit ya. Let's try. Apa? Bang, topinya bagus.
Inggris dong.
Oke. Bang, the head is great, bro. It's great. It's great. We can change to Ethan. We add, and it will be appear here. Boom shakalaka. And we can change it too. Yeah, sorry ya sir if I'm doing Batam English. Bang, the head is bad. Now we can save it. Yeah, it will be changed. Yeah, maybe apa? Kayak mana penutupnya? That's all for today.
I'm sorry if there is any.
I think that's all for now. I'm sorry if I have a mistake in explaining an English language in my project. I don't know English
That very well.
I'm not fluent in English. Yeah.
Very clarification.
I'm sorry, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.